Digital real estate is a new way of investing and making money in the world of real estate. To invest in digital real estate, it requires little management from the owner once you have done the work upfront. It mainly involves the purchase of domain names, websites, and social media accounts, management for internet businesses. In a decentralized metaverse, property will be owned by the users themselves. And if any of this doesn't make sense, don't worry, because if you stay till the end of this video, I'll explain how to make money buying digital real estate. Although plenty of doubters and concerns surround the metaverse, people across the globe have woken up to its promise and begun to create their own digital property and invest in virtual lands and buildings. Now, I'm sure you've heard this before. How do you make $1 million in real estate? Well, the real estate world is not something to take lightly. There are so many ways for you to lose out and blow thousands in this business, so you want to always make sure you go into it with your eyes wide open. Now, if you're still confused about digital real estate, I will dive deep on how to get started. But if you haven't subscribed to the channel, we post videos each week on topics just like this, so definitely keep watching. What is digital real estate? For those new to the trends on the internet, digital real estate is a virtual industry on the internet that's revolutionizing 21st century operations. Technically, digital real estate is called virtual landed properties that include things like domain names, URLs, websites, social media accounts, web pages, and any other digital asset centered around the real estate business that can be bought and sold for money. Like social media apps where the developers earn by allowing their users to run ads, digital estate operates on a slightly similar module. It is featured with legitimate ownership of a piece of land in the virtual world and does not require landowners to deal with all of the headaches associated with physical properties. Lately, conversations about buying land in the metaverse have been increasing. However, digital real estate is more than virtual properties. There is more to these types of investments than flipping virtual lands for profits. It covers much more, as there are various forms of digital estates people knowingly and unknowingly hold. More forms of digital real estate include: Number 1. Websites. Did you know that you can become a digital realtor by owning a website? In the digital world, websites are platforms for businesses to grow their brand and business. If you own a website that is always getting high clicks and traffic, you can sell the website for more. It's just like buying a house in an underdeveloped area and selling it for a higher price when this area becomes more developed. Number 2. Digital products. Digital products can range from books, podcasts, and videos hosted on the internet. These digital products can also be forms of real estate, where the creators monetize their content and sell them to other content creators. Number 3. Applications. Just like websites, applications can also be forms of real estate. Android and iOS developers can create applications, advertise the application, gain thousands of users, and eventually sell it to higher corporations. Aside from websites, applications are rapidly becoming a popular digital real estate item. Number 4. NFTs. Non-fungible tokens can be anything including pictures, pixelated tokens, videos, GIFs, short videos, anything of value. NFTs are also another form of digital real estate, with the NFT market having a total market cap of over $41 billion since its public adoption. Number 5. Blogs, vlogs, and social media pages. Lately, personal social media pages have been one of the hottest forms of digital real estate, as individuals or brands with huge followers are either being rented or sold to large businesses. Influencers are heavily used by these companies because of their loyal fan base and constant traffic or engagement. Number 6. Email lists. If a domain name, website, and even a social media page can provide the opportunity for their respective owners, an email list can also perform this. There is a high possibility of monetization for people with subscribers on their email lists. A lot of people often sell their collective email lists to big companies or help them advertise their latest products and services for a commission. As long as there is a loyal audience ready to listen and take action when you share information, there's a high chance of monetizing and earning money, which is the aim of every digital realtor. So now you may ask, why digital real estate? Although there are millions of other forms of income, digital real estate stands out as it offers many different benefits. Starting physical real estate requires a lot of upfront capital. However, digital real estate is entirely different. For example, all you need is knowledge about various different skill sets like advertising, affiliate marketing, digital marketing, content writing, and marketing, as they serve as a gateway to a successful website. Digital real estate requires little to no certification and can be started up without the approval of a mortgage company or bank, making it one of the most accessible digital sectors we have today. All you need is a product, an internet connection, and some soft skills. Like every investment, digital real estate appreciates as time goes by. Digital real estate can be combined with other businesses easily, and unlike other forms of income that require undivided attention, digital real estate allows you to engage in other activities. How to make money with digital real estate? Well, the first thing you can do is rent out your virtual land. Digital real estate owners can rent out their digital plots to big corporations for advertising purposes and event hosting in an eye-catching arena with loads of attention. Essentially, they can rent out your space and pay per hour, earning you money and providing the visibility they need. Virtual land flipping. Realtors can take advantage of this and engage in property flipping, where they buy lands for a certain amount and sell them for a higher price. The metaverse provides them a chance to earn better than flipping regular houses or land. Build a website. For developers ready to use their expertise into the digital real estate world, building a website from scratch is one of the best bets. Through this, you're solely in charge of the day-to-day running of the website and will also be responsible for the design, back-end support, marketing, and advertising. The process is a bit tasking, however, it will help you realize better profits. Buy a website. Niche flipping is another way to make money. With this method, digital realtors buy websites with little to no rating, clicks, or traffic, develop them into fully functional websites, and sell them at a higher price. It's similar to flipping houses, where realtors refinish homes and sell them to families at a higher price. NFT flipping. Since NFT is a popular digital real estate, NFT flipping is very profitable. Here, NFTs are either purchased for a low value or earned when certain people are whitelisted. Then you will basically hold the NFT until the value increases in the NFT marketplace before selling it. Invest in an established online business. Many online businesses need investors with enough financial resources. You can invest in several of these established businesses in exchange for a higher return on investment after a certain period has passed. Monetize your social media pages. For individuals with enough following, there are hundreds of brands ready to pay you for one service or the other, which is advertising in most cases. These brands offer cash, products, or other benefits as long as the page represents the business. Investing in digital real estate in the metaverse. Investing in digital real estate is similar to playing Monopoly, as the aim is to own as many profitable lands as possible. The strategic placement of your home determines its price in the future. For example, a young person that purchased a digital plot near music legend Snoop Dogg is assured of an increase in property value as Snoop Dogg's influence and popularity on the metaverse increases his value. Digital real estate is here to stay as thousands of corporations seek ways to put their businesses into this new virtual world. The real estate world is a multi-billion-dollar sector, and there are great ways the internet contributes to the narrative. In addition, the metaverse is also a perfect tool, among many other digital real estates, to improve its ability as it provides many benefits to the real estate world, realtors, and regular people all over the world. Let me know in the comments if you plan to get started or already have. Simply type yes or no. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I have a playlist here with many other videos related to real estate investing. I'll see you in the next video.